Hello, Dr. Al here. This is a quick video on the moon tides and how they behaved on December 7th, 2016. Today was a runaway day, and the moon tides forecast a cyclic pattern, but that does not mean that they don't give great information on a runaway day. So I want to document how this works. This is my Ninja Trader chart. Time on this chart are mountain time. The vertical red lines are the trade times for the moon tides, and the green line is the plot of the positive moon tide, and the red line is the plot of the negative moon tide. Now normally moon tides will cycle and will tend to turn and stick with either the red or the green. On a very narrow range day we'll see both tides, and on a runaway day we see something that I call piecewise moon tides. Between the red lines we will tend to see alternating moon tides. Let me show you how that worked today. First moon tide trade time was right after the normal session opened. The moving averages were all pinched together and not much was happening until about 10 o'clock Eastern. Then we finally got the fast yellow moving average. That's nominally a 20-minute moving average, and we started getting the green candles, and right there it was clear we should buy. At that point we had passed the inflection point where it wasn't clear which moon tide was going. This little run up early might have convinced you the red moon tide was working, but things change when the normal session starts, of course, so you have to be alert to see which way the market's really going to go. Well, it started up, and there the green tide was going up, and this arrow shows the piecewise green moon tide energy. Then we got this hesitation. That would have been 11 o'clock Eastern. Looked like a little pullback, but the moving averages are just showing this. This is a continuation buy right in here. And so we were following the piece of the red moon tide, and then at this tide turn we again got a hesitation, and then that's a very shallow continuation buy, and then we continued with the green. Now on this one we got a little bit more of a dip and a hesitation before continuing with the red moon tide. These were the trade times that were selected. So there's 1, 2, 3 trade times. If you did a continuation buy, the crossing, continuation, and continuation, you would have gotten 3 good trades. Interesting to note this point right here, which is the peak of the red moon tide here. Candlesticks changed right there, and that was where it was time to cover. In fact, I actually sold it and picked up a few points pulling back here. But at any rate, that is just a quick documentation of piecewise continuation moon tides on a runaway day. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to learn more about moon tides, visit daytradingforecast.com. Thank you.